Tonga'uiha la kakala kia hina ke mawhei tala tala he. Ko langa whatu e ikata ane. Isa, ko langa whatu e ikata ane.
No'oanga, Tai the shark, refers to our ancestral shark hunting knowledge held by Master Shark Hunter Tu'itufu and the people of Iweki. Hina of Iweki lived a happy union with her suitor, Mapuikawhanga, son of Wata and Hihiko. But one day, Hina found out about Mapuikawhanga's infidelity. She was really heartbroken and had no choice but to return home to Iweki. The next day, Hina released her pet sharks from her kautapu and they set off on their journey back home. Their voyage home took them along the beaches of Novutoka, where they stopped for a brief break. This area in Novutoka was named Fungaonetaka, referring to the two pet sharks' restless behavior. They continued on and rested at Kolonga. Women of Kolonga found Hina at the beach with her two pet sharks and rushed back to inform their chief, Nuku. That evening, Nuku and his people hosted their honorable visitors with dancing and feasting. The next day, Hina asked Nuku to accompany her back to Iweki. The two pet sharks were taken to the reef Halakakala, which is to the northeast of Iweki. Tu'itufu has summoned his men, the Sinilaus, to the Falesi. A kava is made to mark the beginning of their spiritual and emotional cleansing. A siuki moana is devised. The Fai'aho no'oanga is to be conducted. Tu'itufu and the Sinilaus are prepared. The kafa is ready. Monu, a big piece of pork for Hina. Manava is prepared for the crew. A kauta, the whangongo, and Hina's kahokakala. The voyage has arrived at Halakakala. Ofo, pea tā vili mai. Ko ao eni o ko whakaongo atu. Ko hokakala eni. Ki ho whataa o tō whaai. Ko ho kawhana o loto ko iai. Ko ho lali ko iai. Ko ho taumawha ko iwai. Hina e mea mai o Fiema'u ai. The sharks are around the boat. The Sinilaus can safely reach them and bring them one by one onto the boat. They tie up the first shark. Teau! The next shark is tied. Teau! And so on. The last major no'oanga by Tu'itufu and the Sinilaus was in March 1953. Tu'itufu caught 48 sharks and him and the people of Iweki presented them to Her late Majesty, Queen Salote Tupo III at the palace.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was contestant number 7, Miss Malia Toitepi Tonga'uiha, Miss Tika Creations tonight. And that is the last contestant in our talent category here.